Well folks, welcome back to series 2 of Conor Nixon Survival. In this episode I'm going to show you something that will 100% save your life if you ever find yourself in this particular situation. Hopefully you won't, you probably won't, but if you do, this is how you get out of it. Enjoy. Okay, so here is the situation. You're after getting kidnapped, your wrists are cable tied. How do you get out? I'm going to show you 2 ways. These are 2 good ways now. No bluffing. So what you do is you tighten it as much as you can, and then what you do is arms over your head as hard as you can, whipping your arms back. And what it does is it breaks the little plastic bit inside that causes the ticking noise. So I'm going to do that again, and these aren't Aldi zip ties, these are good, healthy, strong zip ties. So what you do is, again, you're after being kidnapped, kidnapper goes out of the room, tighten as much as you can, arms over your head, as hard as you can against the 6-pack, or if you don't have a 6-pack, you know where the 6-pack is. It's in the abdominal region. So you whip your hands as fast as you can, as hard as you can against the 6-pack, and it just breaks open like magic. Okay folks, now this one couldn't be any easier, so I'm going to show you what you do if you can't break out of them. This is another way of getting out of zip ties. Okay, so you're kidnapped again. Kidnapper goes out of the room. What you do is you open your lace, put it there, couldn't be any easier. I don't believe it, I actually did it. Then you open the other shoelace and you tie a knot. Okay, now you just pedal like you're on a bike. And what that does is it heats up the plastic and it just burns right through it. And then you quickly undo that knot as quick as you can, because the kidnapper, he could come back at any time, so as quick as you can get that knot opened. What do you think of the shorts, lads? It's very humid in Dundalk today, hence the shorts. But don't worry, nothing's going to pop out. Leave it all tucked away. Oh God. So hopefully your kidnapper is away to the toilet, or away to do a message up the town or something, because this is harder than it looks. Or you could just take your shoes off and tip on. And here's a point to note: if you are getting kidnapped and they're putting a cable tie around your wrists, this is what you should do or try to do. Don't put your wrists like this, put them like this, so you have way more space to manoeuvre. Okay folks, so I'm going to try that one again for you. So what you do, again, open up your lace, just put it here on the side of your shoe. And put it to the back of your wrist. You have to be somewhat flexible for this. So I was up this morning at 7 AM doing me stretches. And it really paid off. So there's that lace. Then you open this one, you open this lace, tie your little knot, is he coming? Or she, because women could be kidnappers too, it's not just men. And then just cycle your bike. Okay folks, that's the end of episode 1 in season 2 of Conor Nixon Survival. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.